Chapter 8 Probability. Example 8.29. If A and B are two events such that P of A is equal to 1 by 4, P of B is equal to 1 by 2 and P of A and B is equal to 1 by 8, find P of A or B, P of not A and not B. So are you able to understand the question? A and B are two events such that P of A value is given as 1 by 4, P of B value is given as 1 by 2, P of A and B. What does this AND stands for? This is intersection. So P of A intersection B value is given as 1 by 8. And they ask you to find P of A or B. What does this R stands for? This is union. And P of not A is A dash, and this AND is intersection, and not B is B dash. So we have to find P of A union B, and the second one is P of A dash intersection B dash. It's given in the question that P of A is equal to 1 by 4 and P of B is given as 1 by 2 and P of A intersection B value is given as 1 by 8. So what they ask you to find, the first subdivision is we have to find P of A union B. So what's the formula to find P of A union B? That is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So now we are going to substitute the values here. It's given in the question that P of A is 1 by 4 and P of B is 1 by 2 minus P of A intersection B is 1 by 8. So here the denominators are different. So how do we solve this one? We have to take the LCM. So LCM of 4, 2 and 8 is 8. So here in order to get the number 8 in the denominator, you should multiply by 2 both the numerator and the denominator. Here we should multiply by 4 and here already 8 is there. So simply we can multiply by 1. Now you got the denominators as 8 and the numerators are 1, 2 is 2 plus 1, 4 is 4 and 1 into 1 is 1. Here there is a negative sign. So this is minus 1. Which is equal to, now simplify this one and say the answer. Yes, very good. The answer is 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5 by 8. Now the second subdivision is we have to find P of A dash intersection B dash. So this is nothing but 1 minus P of A union B. We already find the value of A union B here. Now you can substitute the value P of 1 minus A union B as 5 by 8. So which is equal to 8 is a common denominator, 8 minus 5 which is 3 by 8. So the answer is 3 by 8. So while you are writing the answer, you have to write it as P of A or B is equal to 5 by 8 and the second one is P of not A and not B is equal to 3 by 8. Is it clear, students? Yes. Example 8.30. A card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king or a heart or a red card. So here they are given 3 events. One is getting a king or getting a heart or getting a red card. So what does this R stands for here? This R is union. So we have to find, if you take this event as A and this as B and this one as C, then we have to find P of A union B union C. So let us solve this one. The first one, let A be the event of getting a king card. So A be the event of getting a king card, and N of S, you know that is 52. So from this we are going to find that N of A, how many king cards will be there? Yes, that is obviously 4 cards. So N of A is 4. Now we have to find the value of P of A. What's the formula to find P of A? Which is N of A by N of S. Now we are going to substitute the values here, which is equal to 4 by 52. So you no need to simplify here because we are going to substitute in the formula at the last, so you keep it as such. Now we are going to write the next event. So the next event is getting a hard card. Let B be the event of getting a hard card. How many hard cards will be there? Yes, there are 13 hard cards in a pack of 52 cards. So N of B is 13. Now we are going to find P of B. So which is equal to N of B by N of S. Substitute the values here, which is 13 by 52. The next event is getting a red card. Let C be the event of getting a red card. So what will be our N of C here? Yes, there are totally 26 red cards will be there. So now we have to find P of C, which is equal to N of C by N of S. So substitute the values here, that is 26 divided by 52. So the next step, so based on the formula we have to find P of A intersection B, because this problem is based on the formula P of A union B union C is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of A intersection B minus P of B intersection C minus P of A intersection C plus P of A intersection B intersection C. So we found the value of these 3. Now we have to find the remaining 4. So the first we have to find now P of A intersection B. P of A intersection B. So A intersection B is P of getting hard king. Which is equal to, so what is that N of A intersection B? Is N of A intersection B is equal to 1, because there is only one hard king. Now we have to find P of A intersection B, which is equal to N of A intersection B divided by N of S. Now substitute the values here, which is equal to 1 by 52. Next we have to find P of B intersection C, which is nothing but probability of getting red and hot. Then what is this N of B intersection C? Which is equal to 13. So now we have to find P of B intersection C is equal to N of B intersection C divided by N of S. Now substitute the values here, 13 by 52. So what is the next step? Yes, next step we have to find P of A intersection C. So P of A intersection C is probability of getting red king. Which is equal to the what will be n of A intersection C then? Yes, n of A intersection C is 2. So because there are 2 red color kings will be there in a pack of 52 cards. Now we have to find P of A intersection C is equal to n of A intersection C divided by n of S. Now we can substitute the values here, 2 by 52. The last one we have to find probability of A intersection B intersection C. That is common between these three. Probability of getting hot, king, which is red, or you can write it as red king. Then what will be this n of A intersection B intersection C? Here this is, it should be a hot and it is king also and it is red in color also. So the answer is 1. There is only one card which is red king in art. So from this we have to write it as P of A intersection B intersection C is equal to n of A intersection B intersection C divided by n of S. Now substitute the values here, which is equal to 1 by 52. The next step, we are going to substitute all those things we have found so far in a formula. Yes, what's the formula to find P of A union B union C? Yes, which is P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of A intersection B minus P of B intersection C minus P of A intersection C plus P of A intersection B intersection C. We have to substitute the values here. P of A as 4 by 52 plus P of B is 13 by 52 plus P of C is 26 by 52 minus P of A intersection B is 1 by 52 minus P of B intersection C is 13 by 52 minus P of A intersection C is 2 by 52 plus the last one P of A intersection B intersection C is 1 by 52. So here the denominators are same, so you can write the denominator as such 52. In the numerator 4 plus 13 is 17, 17 plus 26 is 43, 43 minus 1 is 42, 42 minus 13 is 29, 29 minus 2 is 27, 27 plus 1 is 28. So now we can simplify this one by 2 tables. We will get here 14 divided by 26. Again cancel by 2 tables, we will get 7 by 13. So the answer is 7 by 13. While you are writing the answer, we have to write it as probability of getting a king or a hot or a red card is equal to 7 by 13. Is it clear, students? Yes. Thank you.